Using a simple adapter and a program like AlfaOBD, for example. Here I'm using AlfaOBD 2570. You should be able to scan your car to find the DTC errors. This adapter is not expensive. You can find it on AliExpress. It's modified for Ford, and it also works perfectly on Fiat engines, Fiat cars. For the program, you can use trial version, so you don't need a license to see the DTC error. But if you're using the active diagnostic, you have to buy a license. Now I'm gonna connect the adapter to the laptop. And the other part is gonna connect to OBD port. Select the brand, the model, and the function. Here our function is engine, because we're gonna find the DTC code, and here I'm choosing engine 1.3 JTD, which is the right choice here, and then connect. Here you can see the connection status. Remember, if it doesn't connect, maybe it's because of the COM port. You have to change the COM port here in the advanced mode. But sometimes you don't need it. You just simply use the regular mode and click on the connect button here. And then you have to find the error code by clicking on the read all faults. And as you can see, there is only one error, which is P0673, and that belongs to glow plug number 3.